Welcome to Chef Crown, where you'll learn the best tricks and tips. Today, we'll delve into
Did you accidentally burn your non-stick pan? Don't toss it just yet. I'll show you how to clean it safely without ruining the non-stick surface. Stick around, and let's save your pan. The first instinct when you see a burnt pan, scrub it like crazy. But that's the worst thing you can do to a non-stick surface. Harsh scrubbing damages the coating, making it useless. Instead, I'll show you a safe and easy way to clean it without scratches. First, let the pan soak. Fill it with warm water and a few drops of mild dish soap. Let it sit for at least 15-20 minutes. This softens burnt food and makes it easier to clean. For stubborn stains, sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda over the burnt spots. Add a little water to form a paste, then gently scrub with a soft sponge or dishcloth. Baking soda works wonders without damaging the coating. One more thing before the last step. Quick tip, if you're loving this video, grab our free Chef's Knife Guide. 20 famous chefs and their must-have knives. It's full of insider tips to upgrade your cooking game. Get it now at chefcrown.com/knives. If the burn is really bad, pour a little vinegar into the pan and let it sit for 10 minutes. The acidity breaks down the burnt residue. Rinse it off, and your pan will look so much better. Finally, rinse the pan thoroughly under warm water to remove all residue. Dry it completely with a soft towel to avoid water stains or damage. Now that your pan is clean, here's how to keep it that way. Cook at medium heat. High heat can damage non-stick surfaces. Use oil or butter sparingly to prevent food from burning. Set a timer when cooking dishes prone to burning, like sauces. Always clean the pan right after it cools to avoid stuck-on food. Your burnt pan is saved, and you didn't even have to buy a new one. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more kitchen tips, and let me know in the comments. What's the worst thing you've burnt in your kitchen? See you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Want more knife inspiration? Download your free guide, 20 famous chefs and their must-have knives, using the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more sharp insights. See you next time.